Hi, this is Bilal from Speckle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sketchup connector. Let's get started. We'll be using Manager for Speckle in this video, and if you don't have already, please install it. There will be a pop-up on the top right corner of this video. Follow the steps described there and you'll end up having Speckle Manager. Let's start by opening Manager for Speckle. How do we do that? Simply search for Manager on Windows or click on this arrow icon right here. I'm going to click on it and click on Speckle's icon. I'm going to zoom into here so you see it better. And yeah, what was the name of the connector we're going to install? It was Sketchup, right? So simply search for Sketchup and you can install it directly from here. Or you can go to its page and see its details. So the latest stable release at the time of this recording was 2.10. We can install it. Or if you, let's say that you're interested in a, I don't know, like a previous release or a beta release, you can go to the versions tab and install those from here. Okay, so but I'm interested in the stable release. I'm going to click on install and it's going to download the connector first and install it just like that. Installation complete. Sketchup connector was installed successfully. Let's confirm if that was the case. So I'm going to open Sketchup. I have Sketchup 2022. And I'm going to use the default architectural project. And you should see the speckle icon like so. This I think it should be a floating plugin in your case. But you can dock it wherever you want. If you don't see it, simply go to View, Toolbars, and find Speckle in this list like so. Make sure that it's checked so you can see its icon. So now you can send your geometry from SketchUp into Speckle using the connector, right? So let's create a, I don't know, like a really simple extrusion. I'm going to extrude it, enable the Speckle connector. I'm going to select this geometry and I'm going to send it to the SketchUp stream. Click on send, and just like that, it is sent. Let's view it on the web. And this is how it looks like on the Speckleverse, right? So this is a SketchUp geometry now. All right, so that was basically it. As you can see, it's like really easy to install SketchUp connector. Simply go to Manager, search for SketchUp, click on install, and you're basically done. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.